What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So this video is actually a continuation of the last video that I posted on the Supra. And the reason I split it up into two parts is because it was going to be a really long video if I made it one part. So I just wanted to separate them up into two different videos. But yeah, in the last video, we basically just went ahead and picked up the Supra. If you haven't seen the last video, make sure you guys go and check that video out first. But yeah, like I was saying in the last video, we actually just picked up the car and then showed it to all our friends and got their reactions of it and everything like that. But in this video, we're just going to be cleaning up the car a little bit, because if you guys did watch the last video, then you would have noticed that the interior of the car was filthy and just filled with a bunch of crap. And obviously the outside of the car was filthy as well, because the car was parked for about 15 years now. It was parked since 2007, just outside in the elements, basically just abandoned and not cared for. So in this video, we just give the car a little bit of a cleaning. Obviously, it's not like a really in-depth detail or anything like that, because the car still needs a lot of work, but we just decided to clean it up before actually doing any work on it. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, guys, so today is actually the second day. If you guys can tell, we actually changed the wheels out. We put a bunch of steelies on there and took these Blitz wheels off, because he's probably going to end up fixing the one that was bent and end up selling those wheels. So we needed some good wheels to roll on, so we just threw on some Toyota Steelies for now. And for today, we're just going to push the car outside, probably get it washed up a little bit, just so it looks a little bit more presentable, and probably clean out the interior a bit too, because there's a bunch of parts in there. So let's get to work.
It'll look good as new once we're done.
We won't even have to fix that other side over there. We could drive it after. Are you happy? Are you excited?
No. Why not?
Because we got a lot of work. So we're going to get this interior cleaned up a bit, and then we'll wash the exterior, because there's so much shit in here.
Oh.
You're definitely going to need those.
Some cobwebs here and there, but it's okay.
Pop it. There. What's this?
That's a dash
cover. More like trash cover.
We got a fan clutch. Or half a fan clutch.
More importantly, we got the
windshield wipers.
Brand new windshield wipers.
The fan is still good. Back okay, it looks like he had one of these. Look, intake.
Engine. Damn, that's an old school ass intake.
They ain't never stealing this car again.
Why the f does he have so many freaking dash covers?
What is that?
He dynamated it. What the?
He tried.
Or he tried, yeah.
And we're not happy about that. Good luck getting that shit out.
Damn, the whole back is dynamite.
Look.
Holy shit. Oh shit.
Yo, this is worth a lot of money.
Wait, that's a brand new one. The one on there is.
Hey, so now you got.
He probably bought that thing and this is messed up.
Holy.
Damn, that's gonna be worth a lot, guys. Those are like discontinued. It's for the windshield wipers, and he has one already on here. Let's get this interior all cleaned up a little bit. We could start storing these seats and stuff like that. Also, these seats are probably gonna get sold later, or you're gonna keep it?
I don't know yet.
Honestly, I say keep it. It looks sick. I think it looks.
Probably.
Damn, there's so much shit in this damn car. I don't know why they did all that red shit on there. That shit looks ugly. Damn.
Let's clean out the front part. Let me see what's in the front. There's broken glass.
Yeah, there's like a bunch of broken glass. All these trim pieces.
Here.
That's all good. Anything that might belong to the car. Damn. Long ass sub wire. If we cut these zip ties, you could probably pull it out.
Can we go red interior? Should I keep this?
Yeah. Here, I'll hold it. Is that a NOS button?
Huh?
Look behind the steering wheel.
Oh, that's what I thought. It works.
It looks like a NOS button.
Huh?
See if that shit will come off. You scratch it.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's like mud or something. Look at this phone. Camera on? I got a new foam soap. The filter gripper?
Ara motorne saktan sara toysam. Lava. Alright guys, we got the car all washed up. Obviously it's still shitty, like the paint job and shit like that, but yeah, we got it all cleaned up because it was like really dirty before.
Hey brother man. 24 volts.
Hey brother man, what you doing? Hey, no paparazzis, bro.
Oh, we got car review Chris over here. What's up, car
Hello,
review
ladies and
Chris?
gentlemen. We're about to start up the car. We're like, damn, he's back.
We don't know if the car will start or not, but we're gonna give it a quick little try. It doesn't have a battery. It hasn't been started in 15 years. Since 2007.
Hey, you got a little crack on the windshield.
Yeah, you got a tiny crack.
A little bit, bro.
A little bit, yeah. It's this
Light,
one crack right here.
For you, you know, it's not
Does Safe Light do whole repairs?
Yeah, just
A little crack.
you gotta give them dimensions. You want to get all the corners.
Hey, I think you just need some coolant and you'll be good.
We got power.
Oh,
Well,
we got some sparkage.
no.
Do you have,
Connection's bad.
is there fuel?
Go. Up. Go. No, I died. The connection's bad. I'm gonna tell you, and you gotta do it quick. I'm putting 24 volts.
Maybe we should step back.
Yeah, just step back a little bit.
Hold on.
He's connecting the Tesla coil.
No go.
Damn.
Something's not right. It's right.
I'll tell you what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas. It ain't got no gas in it.
Alright, well, we couldn't get it started.
Hey, there's still a little engine oil in there, so we're good. Still good.
It's
car
surprisingly,
review, Chris.
there's no like water and shit in the engine.
Car review, Chris. Tell us what's wrong with the car, please.
It seems to be just fine.
Well, you heard him, folks. It should have started. Look, this one polished this whole side.
Who did?
Like the owner,
No way.
he polished
Yeah,
this.
you're right. I was tripping. I was like, why is that part only thing?
All right, let's push this inside, yeah? Someone sit inside.
Oh, someone light, bro.
What they do? It's not that heavy.
Enjoy the suspension.
It went down like...
Suspension. Oh, God, Leon.
Turn it, turn it, turn it. Alright guys, we finally got the car pushed back in here. We got basically everything like cleaned out from inside. I don't know if you guys remember, there was just so much crap in here. We got it vacuumed up a little bit as well.
because it was just filthy. Obviously it still needs another like good cleaning and stuff, but we'll do that later on. We'll take care of that later on. But for now, at least it's a little bit more cleaned up. So that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are excited for this new project, because this is gonna be a huge project. It's gonna take us a long time to finish and perfect. So make sure you guys stay tuned for all the content that's gonna come. If you guys liked the video, hit the like button down below for the YouTube algorithm. Comment what you guys think of the car, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.